Contour isn't the same as bronzer, setting powder isn't the same as a finishing powder, and a finishing spray isn't the same as a setting spray. Let's talk about products that are similar but different. Contour is used to sculpt and define your features, whereas a bronzer adds warmth, which is why contour shades are more cool toned to mimic the color of shadow. Easiest contour technique is to see where the shadow naturally sits, applying the contour onto the hollows of my face to accentuate the shadows more. Contour will bring out your bone structure, whereas a bronzer is meant to be applied on the high points of your face where the sun naturally hits. The cheekbones, forehead, and a bit on the nose bridge to make you look sun-kissed. Now, a setting powder focuses on the longevity of your makeup, whereas a finishing powder focuses on the appearance of your makeup. A setting powder is often in a loose form and it locks your makeup in place by absorbing the excess oil, which is why you use it to set your cream products so they're not sliding all over your face. A finishing powder is basically a real-life filter and it's usually in a pressed form. I apply it as the very last step of my routine to just blur and smooth everything. If you want your pores to look, then a finishing powder is going to give you that airbrushed effect. Like I wouldn't rely on just a finishing powder if I need my makeup to last all day. If your makeup still doesn't last after setting spray, chances are you've been using a finishing spray instead. Finishing sprays help your makeup look more skin-like by melting the products to be one with your skin. So if you think your makeup looks too cakey or heavy, a finishing spray will help make it look more natural. But a setting spray essentially creates a protective film over your makeup so it can lock your glam in place for hours. I like to use a finishing spray first and then a setting spray to seal everything in. Hope that helped.